colors I have pulled together so far for the mountainside and the bushes, and just making it look very springy. I'm aiming toward more pastel colors and bright pinks to make it look very, very spring-like. The little pieces, and I've ironed them onto their fabric, and now I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna cut them out and then start puzzle piecing them together. So I've just puzzle pieced everything together, and now I'm gonna start ironing it onto the fabric. Everything together and ironed it on. Now I'm just taking it to my sewing machine and doing a zigzag stitch over all of it.